tag, all right?
Fenway of the South.
The last day of vacation. We go to the airport after this.
Back to the snow.
At least we get to see the Sox play until April. Picnic tent, suite, and handicap entrance only. We are neither. Unless you want to pretend you're handicapped. The whole tent has food and everything too.
Playing center field, number 15, Pablo Reyes. Batting second, the third baseman, number 16, Jung Ho Gung.
Oh, the trophy?
Yeah.
Ready? Awesome. That's time to go eat. Not about 4 hours. Hey, you say you didn't want to I saw that. Jackie Robinson stole home. That's the cow behind. Oh, look out. Okay, he's handicapped on the pavement. Okay.
Well, that concludes our trip. We are heading to the airport. Until next time.
Boo.
Boo. Back to the cold.
Ready to see the puppies though.
That's right.
And I'm gonna miss this weather.
We'll see that park next year. Unless we live down here. Don't see it soon. The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.